Hi, my name is Radiance, and I'm here to lead you through a nice 5-minute chair yoga flow to open up your hips and your heart. So, if you're near your desk, you can create some space because we will be bending over. I have a nice shirt dress on, but still able to move. So, just find a comfortable space for you to be able to move. Inhale here. Exhale, release. Calming our parasympathetic nervous system. Feel your bottom in the chair, your toes on the ground. Feel the energy coming from the crown of your head to the bottom of your feet. Breathing in. Exhale, releasing your hands down to your side. On your next inhale, bring your hands up to the sky, high plants. Exhale, swan dive down, touching your toes for a nice forward bend, allowing your neck to be relaxed. Maybe you're shaking your head yes. Maybe you're shaking it no. Inhale, halfway lift by slowly gliding your hands up to your knees, arching your neck forward. Exhale, releasing it down, touching your toes. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. One more, inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Now when you're down to the ground, I want you to take your right hand, put it on your left foot, just a little bit. Inhale your left hand to the air for a nice little twist, or you can keep it on your right, but whatever helps you open up to the side. Take a breath in. Exhale, releasing your hand down to the ground, opening up on the opposite side. Switching back and forth, feeling expansion, feeling the twisting, the confidence, the power activating as we release from this break here. Bringing yourself up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, feeling every bit of your body, rolling your shoulders back. Beautiful. And then roll them forward. Take your neck, dropping your chin to your chest, rolling it over towards the left, and then rolling it over towards the right, just finding some calmness and some stillness. You deserve it. Maybe you're closing your eyes. Maybe you're going all the way around. Reverse those neck circles. And when you're ready, bring yourself back up straight. Inhale your left leg into the air, and I want you to cross that ankle. Your right leg, my apologies. Cross that ankle over your left. And then slowly with that hip, just bring it down a little bit. Then inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bow. Inhale, rise. Exhale, bow. Inhale, rise. Now take that foot, coming back, keeping it up. Inhale your hands up, finding that core activation. Bringing your hands at a prayer. Exhale that leg down. Beautiful. Inhale that opposite leg. And then going ahead to release your hands and bringing it for a figure four. Pulsing that hip a little bit. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bow. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bow. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bow. Coming back up for the last one, taking that left leg, floating it. Inhale your arms up, feeling that activation. Exhale, bring your leg down and your hands down. Take a big breath in. Closing your eyes, exhale, release. Inhale the breath through your nose, percolating through your lungs. And on your exhale, feeling it go all the way down to the ground. One more inhale. Exhale. My name is Radiance Basin. Thank you for letting me hydrate your spine in this 5-minute chair yoga flow. Continue to have an amazing day and create space to receive all that you desire.